Hey there, welcome to another video. I'm going to show you something called hierarchies. Now, hierarchies are really useful because they can give not only you, but your users the ability to go deeper and deeper into your information. So let me show you the most basic form of a hierarchy, and that is got to do with date, right? So if I grab date and I bring it into here, okay, when it's a discrete date, right, meaning it's, individual points, and I'm going to add actually a value in here. So let's just say I'm going to add profit. Okay, so I've got that in there. What happens is, if it's a hierarchy, or if it's in a hierarchy, you'll see this little symbol, okay, which is a plus sign. If you click that, it's going to expand it, and expand it, and expand it, and it's going to get, even more and more granular. You're introducing more and more points in between, right? That's the discrete method. If I go to a continuous line, okay, and continuous line, right, and I go plus, it's now introducing quarters, then months, then days, weeks, and then days. As you can see, it's adding more and more individual points, right? Now, for dates, it's already preset that it's a hierarchy. So how do you set your own hierarchy? So for example, let's just say, I'm going to grab one here. Region, country, state, city. So in this particular data set, because it's the Superstore data, it's already been set. The top item, right, is the top level of your hierarchy. So if I go region, it's going to split it like so. If I click that plus, it's going to split it again. If I click that plus again, it's going to split it again. If I click plus, and it just keeps going, right? And you can have as deep a hierarchy as you want. So now I'll show you how to set it. So first, let me actually get rid of this hierarchy. So remove hierarchy, and you'll see that they're kind of just loose values now. Actually, what did I just get rid of? I think I got rid of the wrong one. This one. So location, I'm gonna go remove hierarchy. Let's go back. All right, so that's not in a hierarchy anymore. And as you can see here, I've got region, state, city, country, but they're all separate. So now I haven't got that hierarchy feature. Okay, so what I do is there's a few ways to do this. I can actually click region and drop it on something else, right? And it will automatically create a hierarchy. So I'll give it a name. I'll just say location, go OK, right? So you can see it's already started, and I can add things to that group. So I can go country, I'll add it into there, and I want to add state. Okay. Now the order in which this is set is the order of your hierarchy. So obviously I want region at the top. I want, I guess countries there. City, I want state above city. And I think there was one more, wasn't there? I think that's it actually. Right. And now what you notice is this plus is back. Okay. So again, I can do my hierarchy. Right. Now one thing to know is you can actually take out some of the in-between parts if you really want to. So in terms of dates, let's just say, I'll add that in. If I go quarter, month, maybe I don't want to see quarter, I can get rid of that middle one and it'll just split it by month, right? So you don't have to have every part of the hierarchy, and you can also reverse them if you really wanted to. So I can see the yearly progression in the month of January. So I can assess maybe, our busiest month is August, September. So let's make sure we have a lot of stock. Okay. So that's hierarchies. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.